Guys, it's Chantel again, and I know this video is a little bit of a step down in quality. I still have my camera. Yes, I broke my laptop and I lost my job. So, I'm currently working on getting a new one. So, times have been a little hard here. So, but with that being said, I'm going to record this video on my phone and do all this weird stuff to edit it on my phone and get it uploaded to you guys, because now I have lots of free time, so I don't know why I'm not recording videos. So let's get into this video. Okay, don't mind my makeup stuff. My got to be glue busted, and when I busted, I didn't cap it right, so it like leaked all over my makeup stuff, but whatever, it still works, so don't judge me. So for primer, I'm going to be using this and this. So I got that. So look at my wig lifting. But I'm going to see it. I put my hair down anyway. We ain't gonna see it. So, and since I have such a beautiful smile, I get smile lines real bad in here. So I haven't really found a concealer that doesn't crease. So lately I've been using this, the Maybelline Master Prime eyeshadow primer. I've been putting it there, and it's been working for preventing the creasing. So this lighting is much better. So we gonna roll with this. We gonna roll with this. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm so feeling this hair. I'm feeling this wig. You know, this wig is like 4 months old, and I can't wait to share with you guys on my experience with this wig. Thank you, RPGShow, because I love it. Okay, so now that my foundation is blended to the best it's gonna get, you can see my wig. It is not glued down right here yet. It's only glued down. That's the key to slaying your wig, is to lay it down in pieces, okay? Remember that. But now I'm going with this trash. It's a Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. And banana, because you know, the melanin skin. But I don't like it. But it gets the job done. So I'll settle. once again, excuse the got to be glued. But now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and that is going to be on the rest of my face. So I don't contour and all that because that bitch already has nice cheekbones as it is, okay? You can still see the small lines. Ugh. Mascara. I don't know who this is by, but got it from Walmart. Oh, and for those who know me, I have the hardest time putting on eyelashes and making them stay on. Hence why I never wear them. Look, I'm already cute enough to snatch your nigga. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share if you're feeling like you're like your girl. And I know you guys just saw my hair get caught, but whatever. And if you guys are interested in a review for this week, stay tuned because I got that coming. It's RPGShow right here. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But now I'm just rambling because I don't even know what to say no more. So like I said, comment, like, subscribe. RIP to my nigga Wally. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.